This video will help you determine the difference among the 4 clear minerals that we have in our list of 15 that you need to know for your test. Most of these minerals have a similar luster. They're all, for the most part, glassy. This one down here is a little less glassy than the others, but they're really all glassy in luster. Many of them are similar in that they have cleavage, and so they're a little tricky to tell apart. But again, if we use the process of elimination and take one at a time, using what we know from our ongoing mineral list, we can use the process of elimination to determine what these minerals are. If we start with this one in the bottom corner here, this one, as you can see from scratches on the surface, is quite soft. This one also comes in this form where it's not clear. So on your test, you might be at one tray of minerals where you see a sample that's clear like this, and another tray of minerals where the same sample uses this piece instead. I wouldn't want you to do this in class, but you can see, if I use a paper clip here, you can see how easy it is to scratch this mineral. It is quite soft. This is gypsum, selenite, same thing. This mineral is very soft and it has cleavage. This particular mineral is selenite or gypsum. So that's one way that you can separate this one from the rest. Then you have these 3 left. When you look at these 3 minerals, as we narrow it down, you see 2 of them have something in common, and that's a similar crystal structure. This one in the middle doesn't have that crystal structure. It has a different crystal structure. It's also harder than the other 2. I don't want you to purposely try to scratch these in class. Usually you can see either I have scratched it or students who don't pay attention to me have scratched it. That indication is enough to you to see that it is soft. The quartz, on the other hand, you will not notice any scratches because nothing that we have in class could scratch the quartz. So this is a sample of quartz, and you know that because it's very hard and it has a different crystal structure than the other 2 clear minerals. So now we know this one. Then we have 2 very similar looking minerals left here to determine which is which. Again, if you studied your ongoing list and the properties of these minerals, you would know that one of them is halite and one of them is calcite. And again, if you've studied, you'd know that one of them tastes and smells salty. So you could lick your finger, touch the mineral, lick your finger again, and see if it tastes salty. If you'd rather not taste it, if that bothers you a little bit, you could simply put both of these up to your nose, very close to your nose, and smell. Maybe close your eyes so you can really focus on the smell. One of them will smell salty. But an even better way to determine the difference is to put both of them over words. So if you put these minerals over words, you'll notice that one of them, let's use the line, one of them creates a double vision effect, and you can see that here in the corner of the line. Whereas the other one, you can see right here, is not creating a double vision effect. So the one that creates the double vision effect, this one here, is bending the light. And if you studied your mineral list, you would know that calcite is the mineral that has the ability, the special property, to bend light. So now we know that this one is calcite, which leaves us with halite. You could double check by smelling or tasting this in the method I explained before, or just using the process of elimination. You now know that this is halite. Good luck on your test.